Greatness cannot be defined by looking at other people's achievement to validate your achievement. There are people who are president, governors, who are billionaires. They don't have the peace of mind that you have. So number one thing, any greatness that sees your peace is toxic. So you must understand, if I am happy, I am fulfilled, and I'm living long, and I'm achieving my purpose, I should not compare myself with anyone. The key that brings us into greatness is what I call broader vision. Vision. Broader vision. Not just vision, but vision with bigger capacity. You cannot dream small and have it big. But when you dream big, you are going to have it big. I was born from an humble background. My father retired from the Nigerian military as a staff sergeant. And we hadn't much in our hands. And I know how it is. It was difficult. And when I was about to write my WAEC to go to the university, they hadn't any money to pay for my exams fee. My mother struggled a little bit to gather some. I had to go to Shendam, a part in Plateau State, to visit my father, and had to go to do some farm work and rice work in order to add money for that. But I remember I was in the farm and I had a broader vision, and I told myself, I'm going to read to get to my PhD. Apart from that, I'm going to be a global phenomenon. I wasn't thinking about becoming a pastor, but the vision that was in my head was that this is my dream. So you must understand, if you can dream it, if you can conceive it, you can achieve it. Your background will not put your back on the ground. You must see beyond where you are. Your condition is not your conclusion. If Moses at the age of 80 could be relevant in life, your age cannot make you an addict. Stop saying time is against me. My whole life is weird out. There is no hope. That's a wrong statement. If time is against you, God would have taken you home. If you are still breathing, still basking and wasking strong, it's because there is an assignment for you. You can see far beyond where you are. He told Abraham, as far as you can see. Whatever you can see is what you are going to conceive. If you have vision, you will not die. When you are visionless, you are purposeless. When you are purposeless, you are useless. As long as you can continue to see, you will not die. Number 3 key of greatness is knowledge. Go for knowledge. And when we talk about knowledge, we are talking about education. There are 4 types of education: academic education, financial education, spiritual education, and life education. Financial education gives you financial intelligence. You can be educated and have PhD and don't know anything about money. Spiritual education. You know things about the Bible. You know you can quote Genesis to Revelation. You are spiritually equipped but financially bankrupt. Go for knowledge. What a man knows is how far he will go. You cannot be great by virtue of just only where you are. Any man better than you know what you don't know.
Likes video, subscribe for verified prophetic insight. Share this message, someone needs to hear it.